In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to manage the discomfort when you've had your braces fitted on or when you've had your wire changed. Initially, it's going to feel very strange at first when you've had the braces fitted. You may feel some pain from the friction of the metal brackets on your cheeks or on the inside of your lips. You're going to feel this the most when you first had the braces fitted on. The brackets are not sharp, but it's going to feel very rough for the soft tissues of your mouth when you first had the braces put on because they're not used to them being there, so the soft tissues get irritated. Your orthodontist may give you wax strips to stick over the brackets to help provide some comfort. However, you have to bear in mind that it should only take a few days for your cheeks and inner lips to get used to the brackets. So although it feels rough at first, your soft tissues will get used to it very soon. When you first have your braces fitted or when you have your wire changed, because of the pressure and force being applied onto your teeth to move them, it can result in pain. And this happens because of the inflammation which occurs around the periodontal ligament of the tooth. That's this area here, which separates the tooth from the bone. Tooth movement in general involves bone being removed from one side of the root of a tooth and bone being placed in on the other side of the root. This is called bone remodeling, and this process releases chemical messengers in this region called prostaglandins and eicosanoids, which cause the pain signal that you experience. You may experience general aching sensations of your teeth when you've had your braces fitted for the first time or when you've had your wire changed, but you may also experience stronger pain when your teeth make contact with something, like if you tap on them, if you bite hard, or if you bite into something. It's suggested that the pain starts within 4 hours of having the braces fitted or the wire changed. The peak of the pain is around 24 hours and then it settles down within 3 to 7 days. You could take some pain relief around 1 hour before your orthodontic procedure, which helps to block the pain signaling, and taking them after the procedure will help too. Such pain relief could be paracetamol, ibuprofen, or naproxen sodium. It's probably best to speak to your orthodontist about which one to take and which dosage would be best for you. Over-the-counter medication is usually all that's needed, and some general advice after you've had them placed is to take the right pain relief if you feel you need it, have plenty of rest, stay hydrated, and stick to having soft foods or liquid food like juices or soups until the pain gets better. Try and distract yourself by reading, playing a video game, or watching a TV show. You have to remember that although it's painful now, the pain will settle very soon. Sometimes brackets fall off or wires stick out and it may leave a sharp edge which is catching onto your cheek and tongue. In this situation, the best solution is to cover the area with wax strips and try and arrange to see your orthodontist as soon as possible so they can make an adjustment for you. The purpose of orthodontic treatment is to improve your smile and bite, so just remember, once you've completed your orthodontic treatment, it will all be worth it in the end. If you're having some trouble with the pain management, let me know in the comments section below and I'll do my best to advise you as best as I can.